Hey, have you ever wondered what it's like to lose yourself in a place where time slows down, colors pop, and every corner is bursting with mystery? Welcome to Bulgaria, like you've never seen it before. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind journey through Bulgaria's hidden gems, all brought to life in dazzling 4K claymation. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's start in the heart of Sofia. Most people zip past the city's golden domes, but did you know beneath your feet, centuries-old Roman streets lie waiting to be discovered? Claymation. Sofia is a patchwork of pastel rooftops, bustling markets, and the sweet chaos of Vitosha Boulevard. I can practically smell the banitsa, warm, flaky, and impossible to resist. But let's get off the beaten path. Ever heard of Belogradchik rocks? Imagine giant red stone towers rising out of emerald forests. It's like nature's own castle. In claymation, these rocks look almost alive, their faces sculpted by thousands of years of wind and rain. Here, legends say these rocks guarded ancient secrets. I say this is the perfect spot for your next big adventure selfie. Next, I'm gliding down to Plovdiv, one of Europe's oldest cities. The streets here twist and turn like a claymation maze, with Roman amphitheaters, rainbow-painted houses, and laughter spilling out of cozy cafes. Trust me, every cobblestone has a story, and every street artist adds a new splash of color to the city's soul. Now let's escape to the Rhodope Mountains. Picture tiny claymation sheep dotting rolling green hills, forests so thick you swear they're enchanted, and the haunting sound of a lone bagpipe drifting on the breeze. This is the land of Orpheus, and if you listen closely, you might just hear magic in the air. Before I leave, there's one secret spot I have to show you, the 7 Rila Lakes. Imagine 7 sparkling gems, high above the clouds, each one a different shade of blue. In claymation, they shimmer like dream worlds, untouched and pure. It's the kind of place that makes you want to just stand still, breathe in, and let the beauty sink deep into your bones. Bulgaria isn't just a place, it's an experience. It's history, nature, and flavor, all blended together in a way that's totally unique. Whether you're wandering ancient streets or hiking to secret lakes, there's a story waiting for you around every corner. So, next time you plan a big trip, forget the usual hotspots. Come explore Bulgaria's hidden gems, because sometimes the greatest adventures are the ones you don't see coming. Trust me, you'll leave with way more than just pictures. You'll leave with wonder.